The world of over-under shotguns is filled with options that cater to a wide range of shooters, from the casual enthusiast to the competitive marksman. In 2024, the market is more vibrant than ever, showcasing models that exemplify craftsmanship, performance, and value. Let's explore the top 5 over-under shotguns that have distinguished themselves this year. 5. Stoger Condor. The Stoger Condor. It's the kind of over-under shotgun that makes you do a double take, not for its flashy looks, but for its surprisingly approachable price tag. In a market where you might expect to shell out the big bucks for a decent over-under, the Condor struts in with a price tag that hovers around $500, give or take a few bucks depending on where you find it. This shotgun offers a no-frills, straight-to-the-point shooting experience that's as unassuming as a good old pair of jeans. Reliable, comfortable, and gets better with age. Now let's chat about what the Stoger Condor brings to the table. This shotgun isn't trying to be the flashiest tool in the shed. It's more like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them. It comes in various configurations, from 12 gauge to 20 gauge, and even 410 for those who prefer a lighter touch. The Condor is as versatile as a Swiss Army knife, making it a great choice whether you're busting clays or hunting game. And let's not forget the ease of use. With its straightforward break action, it's as user-friendly as a shotgun can get. The design is classic, with a hint of elegance in its wood finish and blued barrels, proving that beauty can indeed be found in simplicity. So, if you're in the market for an over-under that won't break the bank but will deliver where it counts, the Stoger Condor is a great choice. 4. Browning Cynergy Wicked Wing. If you're in the market for a shotgun that's as sleek and smooth as a jazz solo, the Browning Cynergy Wicked Wing might just be your ticket. Picture this. You're wading through the marsh, ducks are flying, and then there it is, the Cynergy Wicked Wing, shining like a beacon of hope in your hands. It's not just a shotgun, it's like the sports car of the waterfowl world. But let's talk turkey, or ducks in this case. This beauty comes with a price tag that'll make your wallet quack a bit. You're looking at around $2,000 to $2,500. Yes, it's a bit of a splurge, but for what you're getting, it's like treating yourself to a first-class flight after years of riding coach. Now, let's dive into what makes the Browning Cynergy Wicked Wing so special. First off, its aesthetics are downright gorgeous. With that mossy oak shadowgrass habitat camo finish, it's not just a shotgun, it's a piece of art. But it's not all about looks. This shotgun performs. We're talking about an over-under that's got the ergonomics down pat. It feels right at home in your hands, like it was made just for you. The Cynergy Wicked Wing features a low-profile receiver that not only improves your line of sight, but also enhances recoil control. And the adjustable comb? Chef's kiss. It lets you customize the fit for maximum comfort and accuracy. Add in the Inflex recoil pad, and you've got a shooting experience that's as smooth as butter. So whether you're a seasoned waterfowler or just looking to up your game, the Browning Cynergy Wicked Wing is a great pick for you. 3. Mossberg Silver Reserve. The Mossberg Silver Reserve is like the dark horse in the world of over-under shotguns. Unassuming yet unexpectedly impressive. Think of it as that underrated indie movie that turns out to be a blockbuster hit. Priced around $600 to $800, the Silver Reserve is Mossberg's foray into the more budget-friendly side of the over-under market. It's like finding a gem in a sea of pebbles. Affordable yet reliable, making it an excellent choice for those who want the over-under experience without the hefty price tag. Whether you're busting clays or hunting in the field, the Silver Reserve offers a solid performance that exceeds expectations, especially considering its price point. Now, let's dive into what makes the Mossberg Silver Reserve a standout. First up, its aesthetics. The shotgun sports a classic design with a blued barrel and a beautifully finished walnut stock that gives it a look of understated sophistication. It's like wearing a well-tailored suit. It doesn't scream for attention, but it definitely turns heads. When it comes to performance, the Silver Reserve holds its own. The shotgun offers a smooth break action, reliable extraction, and a balanced feel that makes shooting both comfortable and enjoyable. Its barrels are chrome-lined, which not only adds to its durability, but also ensures consistent shot patterns. The Silver Reserve comes in various gauges, catering to a wide range of shooting preferences. And let's not overlook the tang-mounted safety that doubles as a barrel selector, a thoughtful feature that enhances its functionality. In summary, the Mossberg Silver Reserve isn't just a shotgun. It's a smart, practical choice for those who appreciate quality and value. 2. Parazzi HighTech Skeet. Step into the elite world of skeet shooting with the Parazzi HighTech Skeet, a shotgun that's less of a tool and more of a masterpiece. In the realm of competitive shooting, where precision and reliability are non-negotiable, the Parazzi HighTech stands out like a Michelin star chef in a sea of fast food joints. Now, before we dive deeper, be prepared for the price tag, which is north of $10,000. Yes, it's a significant investment, akin to acquiring a luxury watch or a small piece of real estate. But for the serious skeet enthusiast, it's a price that brings with it unparalleled craftsmanship and performance, making every shot not just a practice in skill, but an experience in itself. But what makes the Parazzi HighTech Skeet the crème de la crème of shotguns? First, let's talk about precision. Each shotgun is a symphony of perfect balance, responsiveness, and handling. The sensation of shooting with it is akin to a tailor-made suit. It just fits right. Every aspect of the gun, from the length of the barrel to the grip, is designed with the shooter in mind, offering a level of customization that's as rare as it is effective. Then, there's the performance. The Parazzi HighTech Skeet delivers consistency and accuracy that are nothing short of legendary, making it a staple at top-level competitions. It's not just about hitting your targets. It's about doing so with an instrument that responds to your slightest adjustments, an extension of your will. The craftsmanship is visible in every detail, from the exquisite woodwork to the finely tuned mechanics. This is a shotgun that doesn't just shoot, it sings. 1. Benelli 828U. The Benelli 828U is like a symphony conductor in the world of shotguns, orchestrating every shot with precision and flair. This isn't just any shotgun. It's a high-performance instrument designed for the shooter who seeks both luxury and functionality. With a price tag hovering around $4,500, the Performance Shop 828U is Benelli's opus in the over-under category, akin to a high-end sports car in a world of sedans. This price reflects not just a shotgun, but a piece of engineering artistry, crafted for those who view shooting as not just a hobby, but a passion. It's the kind of investment that speaks volumes, offering a blend of exceptional performance, unparalleled craftsmanship, and aesthetic beauty that's hard to match. What sets the Benelli 828U apart, you ask? First, its precision. This shotgun is tailored for the competitive clay shooter, offering features that elevate its performance to competition standards. The power bore. Cryogenically treated barrels and cryo chokes enhance its accuracy and pattern consistency, making every shot count. The carbon fiber comb and custom-tuned trigger system provide a shooting experience that's both comfortable and responsive, allowing for quick and precise reactions, vital in competitive shooting scenarios. Ergonomically, it's a dream, with a progressive Comfort Tech recoil reduction system and a sleek, customizable stock that ensures a perfect fit for the shooter. Aesthetically, the 828U is a masterpiece, with an engraved, nickel-plated receiver and a beautifully finished stock that make it as pleasing to the eye as it is to shoot. In essence, the Benelli Performance Shop 828U is more than just a shotgun. It's a testament to Benelli's commitment to excellence, offering an unmatched shooting experience for those who demand the very best.